In a sleepy town, a weathered clockmaker discovers that every hour a misty door opens inside his workshop. When he tweaks a broken gear, the door reveals a rain-soaked street where time briefly flows backward. A young street artist steps through, tracing chalk lines that rewrite mistakes and paint fresh chances across the alley. They learn the door feeds on memory, turning tiny regrets into bright possibilities and softening the town's mornings. Dawn arrives as the clockmaker seals the door, and the town wakes with patience and a renewed sense of time.